How to get free gifts on Temu. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get free gifts on Temu, a popular online shopping platform. Whether you're looking for discounts or freebies, I share some effective tips to maximize your savings. Let's dive right in. First, if you haven't already, download the Temu app from the App Store or Google Play Store. You can also access Temu through their website from the navigator. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and create an account. You can sign up using your email address or through your social media accounts. After logging in, navigate to the offers section in the app, and this is where Temu showcases special promotions, including free gifts and discounts. Look out for specific promotions that offer free gifts with purchases. This can change frequently, so check back often to catch the best deals. Sometimes you might need to add a certain item to your cart to qualify for a free gift. Another way to get free gifts is by using Temu's referral program, so share your referral link with friends and family. When they make their first purchase using your link, you'll receive credits or free gifts as a thank you. Follow Temu on their social media platforms. They often announce exclusive giveaways and contests that can help you score free gifts. Lastly, don't forget to check the daily deals section. Temu frequently offers limited time promotions where you can get items for free or at a significantly reduced price. And that's how to get free gifts on Temu. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on saving money while shopping online. Thanks for watching.